Now I've got 3 more pots that I've just brought from home to winterize. 3 more pots of herbs. Oh, this is just compost, green waste from the kitchen compost that'll go on the compost heap to mix with the manure and stuff. But I've got some time to do some more lemon balm, smaller version of the one I did the other day. And here I've got garlic chives. Now, I cut the flowers off these because they've got some nice seed heads on that you can actually see the seed. I took a photograph of that and I'll post it on here with it. And I'll catch you in a bit. So 3 more herbs winterized. You can just see the tops of the lemon balm. I'm hoping that all comes back. Garlic chives. Hoping that bulks up for next season, but I'm also got the seeds that I'm going to sow. The thyme, I've given it a haircut, not taken too much off or else it will die back. But there was some dead wood in the middle that I pulled out, and it's all been top dressed with my homemade manure, homemade compost from my manure heaps. So these will go in the greenhouse with the rest of them, and a lot more to come yet. So recently I gave away a load of French bean seeds because I had a real excess of them. So I put them in seed packets and gave out, about, I don't know, about a dozen or so packets of these seeds. And I thought to myself, I better make sure that the seeds are viable. So I just got my homemade compost, stuck it in a pot and stuck 5 seeds in here, and I can see that all 5 have germinated. So making sure that they were viable, and they are. So that was good news. On another note, I've got some flower heads that from the onions that I grew trying to get some seed last year, and I got them, but I also got some pips. And I got 9 pips off one of the seed heads. I don't know if you know what a pip is, but they're like mini, almost like mini onion sets that grow on the actual head of the onion. And so I put the 9 in this little pot, just for something to do basically. And 5 of them have germinated. So I'm just going to grow these on and see what happens. Never done it before, but we'll see. I know that they're a clone of the original parent plant, and they're not like a seed. So we'll see how they go. I've been blathering on all year about my specialist tomatoes, the Tomates de Colguer, and for anybody who doesn't realise what it's all about, let me just show you. This is how they're stored in the garage, and they keep the season going. Fresh tomatoes, and they'll continue to ripen as is, as long as it's somewhere cool, fairly dark. There is a window behind me, but it's not too light. I've got a light on. So, Tomates de Colguer. Or is it Colgar? I think it's Colgar, which just means hanging up.